it's the Condom Day. It's really a good day that creates awareness to a whole public, the whole community.
Today's experience has been very good to me. Talking with young people, university students, a lot of issues have been raised. A lot of myth about condoms have been addressed, and we believe by going to different institutions and working with young people down in the communities is one way to spread the advocacy and share the news and come up with the strategies on how to curb the HIV epidemic in Uganda and in Africa and the world in general.
I'm glad there is a day like this, a World Condom Day, because at the end of the day, yes, we need to protect ourselves from whatever we want to.
It begins with an individual. If an individual perceives it that it's good to use a condom to prevent himself from getting HIV/AIDS, it's good.
I started using condoms when I was 17 years old.
I've never used a condom before because I've not had sex.
I've used it once.
I know that it's one of the family planning methods that people can use to prevent unwanted pregnancies.
You can control STIs.
If it's not used properly, then it's not safe.
It's fabric that's used for protection.
I would say it's more healthy than the other family planning method.
Wearing a condom, I feel safe, I feel protected, I feel like I am good to go.
Felt safe that I know, okay, you know what, I'm not going to get pregnant.
People just talk about condoms out there, but what we want is reality. What is the reality on the ground? How do people use these condoms? Do they really use? What do they attach to them? We have issues to do with culture, we have issues to do with age, we have issues to do with somebody's level of education.
Putting them in public places gives youths and children awareness at an early age, so that when they grow up, they really know how to take care of themselves.
That it should be put in public places, schools.
You'll be surprised at how many condoms that are in toilets actually disappear. I think it's a very good thing, because then you get to know that there are people out there who think of protecting themselves, taking care of themselves.
I encourage people out there to join such organizations, to join such teams, to spread the awareness and build the capacity of their people.
Children should be taught about condoms from their parents, because parents are the primary caregivers of children.
I would talk about condom use with my parents.
Parents should be open to their children, because who else, who better to do it than the parent? Of course, I know these days it's being left up to the teachers or health workers or sex talks, but I think it's ideal for a parent to do that.
My girlfriend cannot carry a condom for me. They usually just ask, do you have condoms? But they don't like carrying them around.
Would I? Yes, I would carry one. And I have one.
Could be for my own use, or I could give it to somebody else to use.
Be involved, take charge of yourself, advocate, raise your views, and let them be heard, let them be shared, and together we can make a difference.
Participating in this event, I have learned how to encourage someone to use a condom. I've learned how to put it on my partner once the time comes.
Today is February 13, 2015, and we commemorate International Condom Awareness Day. We are in Nachivo area, downtown Kampala, and we have brought the condom awareness campaign and condom distribution down to the people in the market area, in the Backyard area and Nachivo area. Why? Because it's a busy area. It has a lot of people, business community, that are not so willing to leave their workspace to look for information and to look for services related to HIV prevention, awareness, as well as condoms.
The team is not just here to give out condoms, but they're actually getting an opportunity to walk around the streets and discuss and exchange words and answer questions from different people about what a condom is, how can it be used. And it also gives our population another picture, because we are seeing the young people doing it. They're out here and advising you, oh, you can actually use a condom and keep safe, and condoms are cool. So we are expecting that in the future, if a young generation, like what we've seen today, continues to do the job, then that means when they're about 50, we should be having an HIV-free population.
We want to encourage all people intending to celebrate Valentine's Day to be faithful to their partners, to love them, and by knowing about their HIV status and using condoms. have had a very young and energetic group of public health educators that did a flash mob and educated the communities using music and dance. The benefit to this is that it brings the crowds to be able to see what kind of entertainment there is.
The onus of keeping safe begins with you. So you've got to get out of your comfort zone and discuss about condom use with your partner. If you have to give in, please use a condom. Condoms are cool and they're actually very, very safe.
Less so throwing can you too?